I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth in the morning. I take a shower before work. I get dressed quickly. I drink coffee every morning. I eat breakfast at home. I go to work by car. I take the bus to school. I start work at 9 a.m. I check my emails first. I have a meeting today. I work with a small team. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go home after work. I cook dinner in the evening. I eat with my family. I watch TV at night. I read a book before bed. I go to sleep at 11 p.m. I set my alarm every night. I like listening to music. I enjoy learning English. I practice every day. I speak English at work. I study new words daily. I write in my notebook. I ask questions in class. I answer politely. I help my friends. I learn from my mistakes. I go to the gym twice a week. I run in the park. I drink a lot of water. I try to eat healthy food. I avoid junk food. I take vitamins. I feel tired sometimes. I relax on weekends. I visit my parents. I clean my house. I wash the dishes. I do the laundry. I make my bed. I organize my desk. I check my phone often. I reply to messages quickly. I call my friends. I send emails daily. I attend online meetings. I plan my day carefully. I wake up late on Sundays. I go shopping on weekends. I buy groceries every Friday. I cook special meals on holidays. I travel once a year. I take photos when I travel. I meet new people. I learn about new cultures. I try new food. I enjoy simple things. I listen carefully. I speak clearly. I try to improve. I stay positive. I set goals. I work hard. I stay focused. I never give up. I believe in myself. I keep learning. I open the window in the morning. I close the door quietly. I turn on the lights. I turn off my computer. I charge my phone at night. I carry my bag every day. I wear comfortable clothes. I check the weather forecast. I bring an umbrella when it rains. I lock the door before leaving. I smile at people. I say thank you. I apologize when I'm wrong. I ask for help when I need it. I give compliments. I respect others. I wait patiently. I speak politely. I try my best. I stay calm. I learn something new every day. I make mistakes sometimes. I improve little by little. I enjoy simple conversations. I practice speaking out loud. I review my lessons. I watch English videos. I follow my goals. I stay motivated. I never stop learning.